Good morning, guys. So yesterday we read our initial article from the Hopeville Ledger talking about the debate of the solar plant. Today we're going to begin reading the editorial pages. An editorial page is where people from the public can write a letter back to the author of the article expressing their opinions. So today we are only going to read page 7, which is the editorial Sunshine is Free, Go Solar. So that's on page 7. So if you'll get your book and follow along with me. The Ledger received many letters to the editor in response to yesterday's article, Town Tackles Energy Debate. Space limits us to printing just these 3. So there were more than just these 3, but these were the 3 that they picked. Sunshine is free. Go solar. So with the title of this letter, we already know the opinion that we're going to read more about. They're picking solar. Hopeville should build a solar plant. Sunshine is free. Notice when we write our opinion, we start by stating our opinion. So there is the author's opinion. And unlike non-renewable fossil fuels, sunshine will always be available. Okay, so here is a reason that they think that sunshine or a solar plant should be used. Tom Bradshaw pointed out that 1 day of sunlight contains more than twice the energy that people could use in 1 year. His information came from California Energy Commission. So again, here's a reason. Here's his evidence. Here's his source that he got it from. It's a trustworthy source, and that is important, my friends. We can find people all over the world who agree with us who may not be a trustworthy or valid source. I think we have to pay attention to this fact. A solar plant is costly, but it will power clean energy to tens of thousands of homes or more. As Eve Pierce pointed out, the Mesa Palm solar plant is evidence of that. So we have another, it's not a reason. We're not going to say we should do it because it's expensive, but it's letting us know that this may counter my opinion. Somebody might go, yeah, but it's costly. But here's a reason why that doesn't matter. Okay, so we know that this is not a good thing, but here's evidence to support opinion still. Because this person knows that somebody might argue this point. Somebody might say, yeah, but it's expensive. Well, they already have a reason why, even though it's expensive, it's still good. So they're kind of thinking ahead of the game. And then, of course, here, like I said, they have their evidence. It may be true, as Mr. Hill said, that we still have plenty of fossil fuels, but fossil fuels won't last forever. Non-renewable means they cannot be replaced. Someday they will be gone. We need to be ready for when that happens. So again, this is another argument against fossil fuels, and a reason and evidence. Okay. We should develop technology that helps us generate clean, efficient power. Hopeville should have a solar power plant. The reasons are clear. So here again is a beautiful example in that this is the conclusion. And notice that they restated their opinion. So we've been working on that in our own writing. Opinion, I can't talk right, guys. Okay, so as we look back over this opinion, we've restated the opinion and the introduction. So they have an introduction with their opinion and a reason. They've restated the reason. They've given evidence. They've restated another evidence to support an argument someone might have about the cost. And then they've given another reason and another piece of evidence to support why we should choose solar. Okay? So, and then they've restated their conclusion. In their conclusion, they've restated their opinion. So the last thing we as the reader read is their opinion again. So that's kind of what holds clear in our mind is what do they really want for us? They want us to develop technology that will have clean, efficient power, which is the solar plant. A beautiful opinion piece here that we can use as we're beginning to write more opinion pieces or we state our opinions. When you come to class, I'd like for you to come to class with a thumbs up. That is our code for today. Thumbs up. See you guys in a little bit.